Delegates of the Police Federation have rejected the government's latest wage offer. The federation represents rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF). The delegates rejected the proposed 4-year wage offer during a meeting with members of the Central Executive of the Police Federation on Friday. Chairperson of the federation, Corporal Arlene McBean, spoke with our news center.
The Police Federation presented the proposal from the government of Jamaica. We explained to them what it means for their salary. They have taken a unanimous decision that they will not accept the minuscule offer on salaries from the government, or will they accept a 4-year contract.
The Federation has not disclosed the latest wage offer, which is still under negotiation, but said it will be writing to the Finance Ministry for another meeting to continue negotiations because some constables are especially affected.
The constable at the midpoint per day would be getting from this increase $122 a day, and that cannot be a form or part of a livable wage if they are to survive in this economical situation.